Oh. Oh. What the frick is this? Okay. Bruh. Where? There's another tank! No, it's Molotov. What the f- Okay. Okay, free help. I ain't mad. I ain't sad. Bruh. What are you getting?
Huh?
Behind!
I don't want to play more, man.
If we get this one win, I need one more win on school. Dude, I'm stupid! Oh my gosh! I need to win on Sky Island! I am so stupid! I just read it. Oh my. Oh.
Did we just do BR for no reason?
Yes, we did VR for no. Sky Island. Alright, that's gonna be easy. I thought it said. Exactly, all that work just got poured out the sea. Exactly. All that work is just nothing. Nothing! Literally nothing.
So you're telling me we just all did all that BR for no reason?
I spent like over, what, 50 minutes on that?
Why didn't you check your champion tasks?
I did.
Buddy.
Ah! Okay, that has stays between the left. I just want to. Someone just had the 1944. Thank you, Matt. Oh, why is he?
Dang, bro, why are your sneezes? Bro, your sneezes sound louder in the call than real life, bro. What's up, Cat Dog?
You sneeze on props stream is very funny. Okay. Bro, there's no way bro is clipping a sneeze.
It's loud, bro. That's when you can kill somebody, bro.
Bro, there's no way you're freaking out over it, including a freaking sneeze. Jump off the cliff, you won't. Okay, that's it. I'm sending this kid to Hong Kong.
What are you talking about, bro?
I'm done. I played 50 minutes of BR.
Nah, somebody clip that. Somebody clip that.
Nah.
Someone clip the sneeze right now, bro.
No one clip no sneeze.
I'm doing all that, bro.
No one clip the sneeze. It's not worth it. Trust. It's like it sounds like a big bang explosion.
Yes.
Trust me, it's not worth to clip the sneeze.
Oh, it is.
No, it's not. Okay, I'm losing this match.
I just woke up at 7 a.m. What?
Check fire source. No. Oh no. There's no way. No.
Wait, what is this clip?
Wait, what clip? I checked media. Nothing's here. There's nothing here.
There is it's memes. Stupid.
Oh, he said media, bro.
Wait, I forgot. Dang it. Wait, can you go on my chat?
Oh my. Okay. Oh. Bro, actually clip the sneeze. That is crazy. Clipping the sneeze was